Hi everyone, welcome to today's session, and in today's session we will discuss about exercise 1.5 second question, chapter 1 exercise 1.5 second question. What is the second question? Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. See here, the first question is log 2 plus log 5. Which is in the form of log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. We can write it as log AB. Yes, which is our product rule. So log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5 I can write as log 2 into 5. Okay, here nothing with base, we can write it as 10. The logarithm with base 10 is called common logarithms. Okay, here nothing is there, we can write it as base as 10. So 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10 to the base 10. Got it? Log A plus log B, we can write it as log A into B. Nothing is there, base we can write it as 10. 2 5s are 10 to the base 10. So what is the value? We have the formula log A to the base A is equal to what? 1. See, it is in the form of log A base A. So the answer is what? 1. Log A to the base A is equal to 1. Okay, that is our first question. Log A plus log B. Coming to second question, you can observe here, which is in the form of log A minus log B. So what is the formula of log A minus log B? Which is log A by B. This is our formula. Log A minus log B. Quotient rule. Right? So I can write as log, our A value is 16 by B value is 2 to the base 2. Right? 2 table, 2 1 jar, 2 8 jar. So we can write as log 8 to the base 2. See students, 8 I can write it as 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 cube value is 8, right? Yes, to the base 2. You can see here which is in the form of log A power m. Log A power m. What is the formula of log A power m? Log A power m, we can write it as m log A. We can write it as m log A. We can write it as 3 log 2 base 2. Again, which is in the form of log A base A. As we have the formula log A to the base A is equal to 1. So we can write as 3 into 1. 3 1 jar 3. So what is the value of log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2? Which is 1. Got it? Now coming to third question. Third question is 3 power 3 into log 4 base 64, which is correct only question. 3 into log 4. Yes, correct only. 3 into log 4 to the base 64. Yes, this I can write as 3 into log 4. What is there in the base? In the base we have 64. 64 we can write it as 4 16 jar, 4 4 jar, 4 1 jar. I can write it as 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3, which is in the form of log x to the base a power m. Log x to the base a power m we can write as 1 by m into log x. 1 by m into log x. So here this 3 as it is you write down. So log x to the base a power m I can write as 1 by m. Here in m in the sense 3 into log 4 to the base 4. Log 4 to the base 4. So I can cancel this 3. Yes, we have log 4 to the base 4. Now, which is in the form of log a base a. What is the value of log a base a? Which is equal to 1. So log 4 to the base 4 value is 1. Log 4 to the base 4 value is equal to 1. Got it this? So nothing is there to confuse. We have to use the properties of logarithm. Log x to the base a power m. The formula is 1 by m into log x. Got it? This is our third one. Fourth one is 2 into log 3. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. See here? You can observe here which is in the form of m log a. Which is in the form of m log a. I can write as log a to the power m. I mean log 3 square minus which is also in the form of m log a. I can write as log a to the power m. So log 3 square. 3 square value 9 minus log 2 cube. 2 cube value 8. Now it is in the form of log a minus log b. I can write as log a by b. Log 9 by 8. Got it? Now coming to fifth question. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so log 10 as it is you write down plus you can see 2 log 3 which is in the form of m log a. M log a I can write as log a power m minus log 2. Okay, log 10 plus log 3 square. 3 square value 9 minus log 2. See, which is in the form of log a plus log b. Which is in the form of log a plus log b. I can write as log a into b. Log 10 into 9 minus log 2. Log 10 into 9, 10 9s are 90. Log 90 minus log 2. Now which is in the form of log a minus log b. I can write as log a by b. 2 1s are 2 45s are. So what is the answer here? Which is log 45. Log 45. Got it my point? Understood everyone? Nothing is there here. We are using the formula all three properties of logarithms. One is log a to the power m, and log a plus log b, and log a by b. So that's why we have to be thorough with the properties of logarithms while doing logarithm sums. Okay, thank you.